Hi guys, today's the day that I announced the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card. So, out of all the people that went to enter their or went to the website where you enter your email address and your name, I had more people to view the website than to enter their information. In addition to putting your email and your name on that website, you also had to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like one of my videos, and comment on one of my videos during the time frame. And so, without further ado, I have a few names in here. Hopefully, you guys can see that based on the people that did everything that was required. Put your name and your email on that website, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like and comment on one of my videos. Only one. So the first name that I draw is the winner. You have 7 days, which is next Tuesday. You have until next Tuesday to respond via email. And if you do not respond by next Tuesday by 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is my time, Dallas time, then I'm going to choose. Then the gift card will go to the second name that I'm going to draw today. But the second name will only come into play if the first name that I just drew right here does not respond by next Tuesday by 5 p.m. Okay, so let's see who it is. Here's the winner. See if you guys can see that. Jamie Moore. Jamie Moore is the winner. Let me take the light off so you guys can see that. Jamie Moore, you are the lucky winner of a $25 Amazon gift card. Now, Jamie, that means that you did put your name and your email address. Let me see what I have. Make sure I got you right. All right, so I have your email address, Jamie, and I also have your name on the website. I did see where you did like, because before I put your name in here, I made sure that each one of these people did exactly what was required of them. So you did like and comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? So Jamie Moore, you are, the light always gets me. Let's see. Let me put on this side. There we go. Jamie Moore, you are the winner. You got 7 days. Next Tuesday by 5 p.m. If you do not respond to me, I'm about to email you. If you do not respond within 7 business, not 7 business days, but 7 days, then it will go to your $25 gift card will go to Ruth Ambris, Ambris. So Jamie is the winner. Jamie, you have until next Tuesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time to respond to my email. That's 7 days, not 7 business days. And if you do not respond, then Ruth will then win the gift card for $25. So congratulations to Jamie. I'm going to email you now. And I want to thank everyone that participated in this gift card giveaway and that subscribed to my YouTube channel, that liked and commented on my tutorials. And stay tuned because there's lots and lots and lots of more coming in the form of tutorials and gift card and gift giveaways. Okay. So stay tuned to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So next time it could be you. All right. All right, guys. Again, congratulations, Jamie. And got 7 days to respond via my email. And then it's going to be forfeited over to Ruth. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for participating. And I appreciate all of you. Have a great day.